Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone had a great holidays, and we're getting back into the shop now here. Finally got everything cleaned up, or somewhat cleaned up here from the holidays here. So now we're going to be jumping in. We're going to be doing a lot of projects this year, a lot of cool stuff. I hope you guys like it. To start though, we're going to go on ahead and we're going to better organize our safety glasses. Our safety glasses right now, I just have them kind of hung up on a peg on the wall right here. I can hold a few on there, but it doesn't hold that many. So we're going to go ahead and 3D model a piece like this. I've started this right here. This is kind of a prototype, but in a nutshell, it's just going to go on ahead and hold the safety glasses like this, and it'll hold them in a line right here across the wall. So hopefully you'll be able to hold a little bit more and help us stay a little more organized. So stick around if you'd like to check it out. Okay, here is our piece that we just 3D printed. Overall, I'd say it looks pretty decent. Turned out exactly how I wanted it on the modeling. So now what we can do is we can get this hung up, and we will get our safety glasses hung from it and see how it works. In order to get this mounted up right here, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna be putting it probably right around like right here or so. Now, one of the best things that I have found to mount stuff on these metal pegboards right here, these are wall control boards, by the way. These things are amazing. If you guys want to check them out, I will have a Amazon affiliate link listed in the description below. Check them out, they're well worth it. And as you can see, everything, mostly all the stuff that I have on here is 3D printed that holds my tools and stuff. So one of the best things that I found though to mount things on here are these little 1-inch spaced anchors right here. I found it on Printables by a creator by the name of Russell Z. And these things are awesome right here. I believe they recommend you print them in PET G. I've been just printing them out of PLA, and they've been working just fine for me. If they start breaking, I can always just reprint them and pop them in here. So these things are awesome. So I'll show you guys how these work right here. We're going to take these, and I have one hole here and one hole over here. So we're just going to pop this in right here, and then we're going to take this one and we're going to pop it in right over here. And then from there, we'll just go ahead and take our screwdriver. There we go. And then we'll just line it up right here. And then we'll get this one going over here as well. So we've got that mounted, and now we can go on ahead and we can put up our safety glasses right here. So it looks like they will fit perfectly right here. And we'll just drop them in here. All right, so that is perfect. That's getting the job done exactly how I wanted it. I can pick up my safety glasses, use them, come back, drop them on here, and they'll always be where I need them to be. So this turned out really good. I'm happy with it. I might tweak around the file a little bit more to adjust these holes. It's just a tiny bit off right there, but it's not too bad. So I will work on that a little bit. I will also include a copy of the 3D printed file if you guys want to use it, or if you want to tweak it around a little bit for yourselves and use it however you guys want, you definitely can. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps out, and we will see you on the next one.